Today, I intend to take up a very pertinent question for all English honors graduates, that is, what next? Many students came up to me and wanted to know that what were the avenues that were open for them after English honors was over. So, let's see what fields are open for students after they complete their graduation having opted for English honors. Now, first thing that comes into our mind is media and journalism. Now, you cannot directly enter this field. You need to have a course in mass communication to enter into this field, be it journalism, advertising, public relations, whatever you intend to do, you need a degree in mass communication. So, even advertising, marketing, whatever you want to do, you must have a mass com degree. Now, if you are planning to go into HR or administration, you need to have an MBA degree. In case you want to enter into teaching and research, go in for a post graduation, and after that, you can qualify for the NET examination and or opt for a PhD and get into the college services if you're interested there. In case you are interested in the hospitality sector, you have to go for a hotel management degree. In case you want to get into the publishing field, be it newspapers, books, magazines, even websites, you may become proofreaders, editors, but again, you need to do your post graduation and mass com. Now, you can become technical writers also if you want to. You can become translators with an English honors degree, but then you need to have a language course from EFLU and you need to know more than two languages. So, just knowledge of English and Hindi will not suffice. You need to know international languages. There's civil services also, which is open for you after graduation. You can become a content developer for websites, blogs, video blogs, etc. And also, there's a scope for becoming a freelancer. You can work on contracts as a content developer. Now, if you are a fresher, you just became a graduate and you do not know what to do for yourself, there are many things which are open for you in today's world. You can get into professional writing. So, you could be writing for the print media, the broadcast media, ads, copywriters. You can become a script writer for films, web series. There's electronic media which needs fresh people to come and write for them. You have the need always is, remember that you need to have a mass communication degree. Social media marketing also is a field in which you can get into, and it's also called digital marketing actually, through websites and also in blogs. You can do a course on digital marketing, which is although a technical course. Then, if you want to get into public relations, again, as I said, you need to have a mass com degree. You can even go for a law degree if you are interested in law. You can go for LLB, but then the best institutions in our country offer an integrated LLB of 5 years. So you need to find out whether actually there is any institution that will allow you to have a law degree. You can get into event management also, but then there are several courses which you must opt for before getting into event management. Now, suppose you want to study further, you can go for a post graduation. Now, you need not just do a post graduation in English, there are other things also open for you. So, just let's have a look at that. So, MA in English is the first choice. Next, you can have an MA in English and Communication Studies. You can go for MA in English Literature and American Studies. You can go for MA in Journalism, MA in Mass Com, MA in Public Administration. You can go for an MPhil after you've done your MA, MPhil in English. Then you can, after you have done your post graduation, you can have an MPhil in English and Communicative Studies or in literature. You can also go for a master in social work, which is known as MSW, if you are interested in this. Now, you can have a PG diploma in creative writing. You can have a PG diploma in business English, PG diploma in language teaching, PG diploma in teaching of English is almost the same thing. Then you have PG diploma in spoken English. So all these things can be taken up by you in case you are interested in going ahead with your studies. There's also the avenue for getting into fine arts, which includes music, dance, painting, sculpting. Now, you must remember that these avenues are open only if you have been doing some course alongside with your graduation, so far as fine arts is concerned. Now, if you want a government job, what can you do? You can finish your post graduation, you can qualify NET, and you can do your PhD, and you can get into a university as a college lecturer. You can become a school teacher in a government school if you wish to. You can get into banking jobs, UPSC, definitely it's open for you. Railways, all the jobs in the railways, that's open for you. You have the insurance sector in the government, like LIC, New India Assurance, National Insurance. All these are open for you. You can get into defense, but then there is the problem that they want BTech and BSc if you want to uh, get into the commissioned ranks. Then you have PSUs into which you can get into, but then again, PSUs basically have more of technical jobs and jobs which commerce students can opt for. Now, in media, if you look at the media, which is, it has two segments, it's information also and entertainment also. So if you're interested in getting into media, if you're interested in writing about sports, lifestyle, science, gadgets, you could be on the information side of media, and you could, if you do a mass com degree, you can get into writing these things, writing about these things. And if you want to, you're interested in entertainment side of the media, so you can maybe take up reviewing books, reviewing movies, writing ads, become a script writer. There are so many things which you can possibly do in the media, in field of media also. So if you are an English honors graduate, it does not mean that there is no other scope other than going for a post graduation in English. There are a lot of avenues which are open for you, and you can always think of other things which you want to do apart from being teachers, because most of the students think that that's the only field that's open for English honors students. But first of all, I would suggest, think about your interests. What are you interested in? What thing attracts you? If you're interested in teaching, get into that field. If you're interested in media, get into that field. Any other field that interests you, get into it, but do not get into a field out of compulsion. Do it because you want to do it, not because others forced you to get into it, because you have to live for it and you have to live with it until your retirement. So please be wise in your decisions. One wrong choice at this point is going to make your future very difficult. If you have any questions regarding these avenues which I have put up here, you may write it in the segment below, and I shall do my best to answer them. Thank you.